Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to unlock the hidden check integrity option in Google Play Store on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Google or Android might change the settings in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We can use this check integrity feature to confirm several security things, like if your phone's software is genuine, if your apps are the official versions, and if your device is safe enough for banking and payments. To do this, we have to take our Android smartphone and open the Google Play Store app. We have to make sure we have selected the required Google account. Then we have to select the profile pic icon and here go to settings. And here we have to go to this about section and then we have to go to this Play Store version. We have to tap this 7 times. This will enable the developer options for our Google Play Store. We have to tap this one 7 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. You are now a developer. Now we can go back. And if we go to the profile pic icon again, then go to settings, go to general, we can see this new developer options here. We can open this developer options and here we will have this check integrity option. We can select this. It will do this running pop-up. Then we will get the results like this. So here under play integrity, we will have 3 labels. Meets basic integrity, meets device integrity and meets strong integrity. We will get these 3 labels. For the basic one, this means the software is good or fine, and for the device one, this means this device is a Google certified Android device, like both the hardware and software are genuine. And for the strong one, this means the vault is locked, providing highest level of security. That's all. Suppose if for some reason you want to disable the developer options, then there is no direct shortcut for this. We have to clear the app data of our Google Play Store. We can go to the app info. We can go to storage and we can clear the data for our Google Play Store. We can confirm this. So after this, we can go to our Play Store. And if we go to our settings, if we go to general, we won't find the developer options here. That's all. These are the steps to unlock the hidden check integrity option in Google Play Store on our Android phone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.